smooth, rich, and irresistibly satisfying.
The mixture reaches a rich, rolling boil. Rich jam flows into each container. Every drop reflects its perfect balance. From freshly harvested strawberries begins the journey of pure sweetness. From freshly harvested strawberries begins the journey of pure sweetness. Each berry is carefully washed to remove every impurity. Only the finest berries are selected for perfection. Continuous washing ensures absolute purity. Excess water drains as the berries move forward. Only visually perfect fruit is selected. Advanced systems grade each berry with precision. Every stem is removed with clean precision.
Final checks ensure flawless preparation.
Precision cutting prepares the fruit for transformation.
The prepared fruit gathers before crushing.
The vibrant pulp begins to take form. Further refinement enhances the texture.
The base of the jam is now complete.
Pure sugar enhances sweetness and balance.
Careful mixing blends every element together.
Pectin is added to achieve perfect thickness.
A touch of acidity sharpens the flavor. Heat begins the transformation into jam.
Controlled heat slowly thickens the mixture.
The mixture reaches a rich, rolling boil.
The texture transforms into a smooth, glossy consistency. The perfect jam consistency is finally achieved.
Consistency is carefully examined at its peak.
Exact sugar levels are measured for perfect balance. Texture is refined down to the smallest detail.
Only perfect batches move forward. Air is removed to preserve clarity and longevity. Trapped air disappears under controlled vacuum. The jam achieves a flawless finish. The finished mixture flows toward packaging.
Every jar is sterilized to ensure purity.
Precision alignment prepares for filling.
Rich jam flows into each container. Each jar is filled with perfect precision.
Exact measurements ensure consistency in every jar.
The surface settles into a flawless finish.
Lids are placed with absolute precision.
Each jar is sealed to lock in freshness. Seals are verified for perfect closure.
Heat sealing secures long-lasting freshness.
Gradual cooling stabilizes the product.
The jam sets into its final form.
The jars emerge cooled and perfectly set.
Air jets remove every trace of moisture.
Each jar is polished to a flawless finish.
Every jar is carefully inspected by trained eyes.
Advanced systems ensure absolute perfection. Even the smallest imperfection is removed.
Labels are prepared for final branding.
Each jar receives its identity.
Every detail is perfected for presentation. Essential details are permanently marked. Traceability ensures complete quality control. Finished jars are aligned for packaging. Automated systems handle each jar with care.
Every tray is filled with perfect uniformity.
Packages are sealed for safe transport. Cartons are stacked with precision and care. Each pallet is secured for stability.
Final inspection guarantees readiness. Prepared for distribution across the world.
A simple jar, crafted with precision and care.
Under perfect light, its richness comes alive. A texture perfected through precision and patience.
Sealed freshness, now ready to be revealed.
A perfect consistency felt in every movement.
Smooth, rich, and irresistibly satisfying.
Every drop reflects its perfect balance.
ready to be enjoyed in its simplest form.
Crafted consistently, jar after jar. A symbol of quality, care, and craftsmanship.
And it all begins again.